Ready? 5 seconds. Start. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will on Monday have a lengthy, open ended discussion that could run into several hours with chief ministers on the next steps of a graded exit from the national lockdown that takes note of the continued rise in COVID 19 cases, particularly in a few states, while considering measures to increase the pace of economic activity. Unlike what has been the case in previous interactions with CMs, all of those who participate on Monday will be speaking. In the past, it has been decided beforehand as to which chief ministers will speak during the video conferencing. The PM is understood to be keen to receive feedback on easing of curbs post May 4 and whether the CMs want the national lockdown to continue within the more relaxed parameters currently in force. The mood in government remains cautious as the national count of COVID 19 cases rises, even if the infection rate is not galloping. It is felt gains of the lockdown that have come at a huge economic cost should not be put at risk, and this could mean curbs will remain on interstate movement and public transport despite some limited experimentation. The return of migrants to the hinterland will also need to be monitored for any spread of the disease. The third and the most relaxed phase of the lockdown will end on May 17. The previous decision to extend the lockdown was taken after most CMs favored such a course of action. Going forward, the regime of red, orange, and green zones is likely to continue for some time, even if activities and movement within a state become freer and governments get more leeway on framing rules. Issues relating to return of migrant labor to home states and problems this is likely to cause in restarting the economy could be a key issue to be discussed at the meeting. Modi's focus, said sources, will also be on rust affected states like Maharashtra and Gujarat, where COVID 19 positive cases have been rising at an alarming pace. On Sunday, many state chief secretaries told Cabinet Secretary Rajiv Gauba that while many measures to contain the pandemic were needed, it was necessary for economic activities to be stepped up in a calibrated manner. Gauba noted more than 350 Shramik special trains had been run by railways so far to carry 3.5 lakh migrant workers home. He emphasized movement of doctors, nurses and paramedics should be totally unhindered and all steps taken to facilitate and protect corona warriors. The three phases of lockdown are seen to have delivered significant results in keeping COVID 19 infections in control, but the high incidence in major cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Ahmedabad, and Chennai, which are also economic hubs, are worrying the center. At a recent briefing, the Health Ministry said citizens will have to learn to live with the virus, while several restrictions have been lifted based on the rate of infection in various parts of the country. The PM's interaction with CMs is likely to focus on reviving economic activities only in a graded manner. While social distancing has been prescribed with limitations on staff strength, businesses have pointed out various hurdles in their resuming operations, including the large exodus of migrant labor from the cities to their villages in states like Orissa, UP, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Jharkhand, as several chief ministers, mostly from non BJP governed states, have been demanding financial packages to fight the coronavirus crisis. There might be demands for the same. Stop.